It's time to change the ceiling fan. I know I've been doing a lot of these, but they're fun, and I enjoy doing them. So I'm gonna keep doing them. What we got here is a Quorum Classic that I'm gonna replace with my 42-inch Hampton the South Wind ceiling fan. I'm gonna take the blades off from above because I plan on demonstrating my Harbor Breeze White Star pretty soon, and that's what these blades are from, if you didn't know. I also want to see how fast we can get it to go, or what. I want to know if it's going to wobble without the blades. If it wobbles without the blades, it's a blade iron issue. If it does not wobble, then the blades are severely different in weight. Severe, like, inconsistencies in the weight. I hope that's not the case. I hope like one of the blades is just bent a little bit too far to the left or something like that. Probably not, but I hope. Also, one of these blades is yellow and the other 4 are not. That's weird. Just gotta take the light shades off, because I'm just gonna pull the motor down and pop this up on my display rack, because why not? Because I got an empty spot on there, and this fan will already be fully assembled. I'm gonna take the bolts out though, because I haven't been back there that much lately. I've been in here more often, because this is the new studio. Alright, let's see. I guess it's a blades issue, because not wobbling at all. This mounting bracket is also very free to move around. Not so much this way, but left and right is very free. So I'm just going to pull the motor down, just like this. Also gotta remove the canopy, or I mean the mounting bracket. The Southwind has a different mounting bracket than this. I do need to cut this canopy off of here. Oh no, my screwdriver. Alright, there's the fan. It's hanging right there. I got like a piece of dust just landed in my ear. I thought it was a bug and it scared the crap out of me. Alright, and let's pull it down. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna take the shades off just so that I don't damage the switch housing at all and bend it. I wanted to put a 3-fitter light kit on this fan, on the Southwind. I don't have a 3-fitter light, like an arm, a 3-arm light kit. don't have one that would work on this fan. It's supposed to have a switch cap, but it was originally installed with a little tiny baby light kit on it. I'm not going to put it up with that same light kit because I don't have the original globe, and quite honestly, in my opinion, I don't like how it looks with the only globe that I have that fits that light kit. Gotta get the drill. Thankfully, it's still plugged in. I got the X-Acto knife still hanging out on top of this mounting bracket. Those work very good. I will keep using them. Yeah, I gotta get a box up here. On the list of shop projects and priorities, that's probably number one, because that would result in me not having to replace this big beam of wood up here. Alright, let's go take an adventure. There's the south wind. Let's take an adventure to the workshop. That's the studio. This is the workshop. And grab the junk that I need. Blades are somewhere in here. They better be. Yep. Here they are. Pretty good shape. The blades, I made a mess. That'll be there for me next time I open it. Not in there. Now looking for the blade irons. Right here. One of them is already out in there. Alright, there's that. We're gonna grab sure, why not? Let's grab this one. This light kit. And then what globe do I want to put on it? I want to put that plain schoolhouse. Oh wait, that's on my other fan. Let's put the floral one on it. That's another good looking globe. Yeah. That's nice. And we need the screws as well. Should be in here. And this desk needs to be cleaned. I thought they were the first ones that came out. They're probably going to be close to the bottom. It's been a long time since I've messed with this guy. This will probably be the last ceiling fan demo for a while. I gotta slow my roll on those. I don't have that many left. I only got about 20 left after this one. I don't want to get through them too fast. Where are they? What are you using for? The white Quorum Classic. That's hanging up right now. It's not it. It's another Quorum Classic. That's also not it. That's not it. And that's not it. What? I went through all the bags and it's not in there? That's great. It must already be out somewhere. I think I know where it is. Let's take all this stuff over there. All the stuff has been acquired. Time to put it all together. And unfortunately the video stopped recording, so I'm gonna have to edit this all now. Great. I want to get a fan going in here. It's hot. There we go. 4 little tiny baby blades. It's been so long since I've messed with this fan at all. It's really not in that bad of shape. Only the top of the motor housing is a bit ski-ratchet up, which is not a big deal. It's the top of the motor housing. No one cares what's up there. One of these blades says who made it. Who made the blades. Maybe it's who made the fan. Or just who made the blades. I don't know, I'll look as I'm putting it together. It's like Ujin something. This fan is original to my house. I believe. Oh wait, yeah, this one doesn't have the date sticker. Never did. It's kind of weird. If I didn't mess with it, I don't know who did or how it's not here. But it's not that big of a deal. Oh yeah. I did not find the mounting bracket for it, which is odd. No clue where it would be. It's just not with me. It's probably in the workshop somewhere, but it was not in the mounting bracket drawer. So I didn't really do that much searching for it. Because I have my Hampton Landmarks mounting bracket. It's like the same thing. Except I can only put one of the only one of the screws can go in. I don't really care. One of these fans was like my profile picture on Microsoft for a really long time. These are some interesting blade iron screws. They're like really big. They look more like canopy screws than blade iron screws. I don't know, maybe they're better. I don't know which blade says who made the fan on it. I have not come across it yet. Oops. Hopefully it's this last blade that says it, because I'm curious now. It does not. I don't know where I remember seeing that from. It might be on the bottom of one of the blades that's already like attached to something. So when I'm taking it apart, I'll show it on camera if I see it. This fan originally had a balancing weight on it. Did not wobble that bad at all without it, so I took it off. And I don't like balancing weights. It doesn't really matter since these blades are non-reversible. It's just a pet peeve of mine. So now I got the motor right here. Need the canopy and mounting, or canopy and down rod, and thread these wires through it. Light wire's not coming through. There we go. Almost. There we go. This is the original mounting, or the original canopy and and whatever it's called, the down rod. Don't know why I couldn't come up with the names for it. Apparently that little number on there tells what number fan it was made that day. So apparently this was the 36th fan they made on whatever day it was manufactured back in the 90s. I believe this fan is from 94. I feel like I remember seeing the tag one time. I might have taken it off if I'm being completely honest. I don't know. Alright, it's good to go, so let's put it up. Gotta get the bracket up first. This one's going pretty smooth, except the camera. Alright. This one does not need to be that tight. It is scratching up the paint on it a little bit every time I put it up. So I need to get a box as well. So I want to preserve these brackets better than they are right now. This fan weighs absolutely nothing. I think this is only no, this is the, I don't know what I'm saying. I was gonna say this is the only the second 42-inch fan that I've had up here. I've had like 4. Definitely way more 52s. I'd like to know like how many 52s have actually been on this, or how many different ceiling fans in general have actually been up here. It's probably a stupid high number, like 40. I don't even have. No, I've only got like 55 ceiling fans. There's no way I've had 40. So the light wires got one. It's nice. Most of my ceiling fans, for some reason, do not have it's so quiet. It's got such a tiny motor in it. Everything about this fan is tiny. The motor housing is literally like 8 inches. Probably 10, actually. 10 inches across. That's ridiculous. I'm not going to put that light wire up yet because you don't need it. Let's start putting the blades on. I do not know which ones are the actual screws and or which ones are which set of holes is like the ones that the blades go on. Try it out. Yeah, these are tiny blades. I don't know if this fan is rare or not, but I don't see many of these. It's powerful, the little fan. That pull chain sound is very nostalgic. I don't know why, but I remember it really, really well. It wasn't even my bedroom originally. And this was like my second favorite fan in the house. Because it's just pretty. Look at it, it's a cute little 42-inch baby fan. It's missing some of the washers for these motor screws. I don't care. Excuse me. Sounds like an airplane. Oh man, it's not in frame. That's my bad. Sounds like an airplane right now. It doesn't have a vent screen and it never did. I don't feel like it would have come with one. The motor is so small and tightly in there. I genuinely don't think one would fit. The Hampton Bay fan too. This probably would have been like $20 back in the day. I was gonna say I could ask Google, but all it's gonna come up with is the modern ones. Does anybody know how much these fans would have sold for back when they were made? This is a good looking little fan. I gotta reinstall this in my room. It'd be really cool looking. The original fan back in there. This would have to go in the winter though, because like, yeah, because it's, quite frankly, it's not gonna do much. Little tiny ceiling fan all the way up on the ceiling. There's like no pitch on the blades. It's just not going to do much. I'm sorry. I like the fan. It's a good fan. I don't think it's going to do anything that I need it to do in the summer. So this will be a winter fan. Let's see how bad it wobbles. I remember it did not wobble at all. Yeah, it's like perfect. Maybe a little tiny bit on high. It's moving some air. It's not bad. Alright, let's get the light kit put on. We got a, I don't know what light kit this is. It's a, oh yeah, 1984 Home Depot light kit. That's crazy. This is an old one. And let me not forget about the camera this time. Let's angle it a bit more down. Didn't really change. I haven't even connected this blue wire yet. We used to have one of those little tiny light kits on it, but I'm not putting that on here. I want to put a nice big floral shade on this fan, because that would very much fit the style that this thing would go for. And it kind of fits the light kit better. Or this light kit fits the switch housing much better. It's like a flush fit. That little light kit that this thing came with was just kind of hovering in place on it. And I think it has a replaced pull chain in it. My brother like yanked it out of it. I've had it like this before. This exact configuration. Probably the same light kit too. Put a bulb in it. Oh, I'm gonna change it up. What bulb should I put in there? I'll put the Philips Halogena 100-watt halogen light bulb. That is what we were putting in it. It's bright. Let's get that globe put on there. I really want to put a tassel on this fan. I do not have a tassel on me right now. I don't know where it is. It's unfortunate because it's a very nice pull chain. It's like not fitting properly. That looks very nice. I really like that. Zoom out. Cute little fan. The light kit is bigger than the whole motor housing. Whole motor assembly is the same size as the light kit, which is awesome. What pull chain should I put on there? Let's put the basic like wooden Emerson looking pull chain. It's from my Quorum Classic. See how she does on. That pull chain's gonna annoy the shit out of me. Yeah, I'll have to change that pull chain out. I like that you can see the logo. I'm gonna let that run for a sec. Whoops. We can go over here. Yeah, ignore. It's got light bulb boxes everywhere. We're going to alter the length of this pull chain. Maybe we won't. Let's just put this on there. That's it. Just gonna put a longer chain extension on there. It's running on the high. It's a little bit noisy. It is an SMC product, I believe. Either that or King of Fans. Probably SMC though. But yeah, that's gonna end this changing the display fan video. Hope y'all enjoyed and stay tuned for the demo of this guy. See you soon. Goodbye.